Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently down bad in the bear market. Is the bottom in for the Sandbox right now in the bear market? Because we have been seeing some rallies in the altcoin market in the weekly time frame. Altcoins have been pumping in 2023, even though we had a terrible year in 2022. Right now, the Sandbox is currently trading above the $0.4 level. We have seen it dump from as high as $8.8 at the top of the bull run. We have also seen it getting to as low as $0.37 in the bear market. So is the bottom in, or should we be expecting further downside for the Sandbox in the bear market? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, and guys, we'll also look at the Sandbox market cap. Currently, the Sandbox has a market cap of $653 million. How low can the market cap go if we continue dumping to Goblin Town? If we rally to higher prices, can we see the Sandbox market cap rally above the $1 billion region? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altcoins have been rallying in 2023, but guys, altcoins were dumping to Goblin Town in 2022. Even the last 1 month of 2022, we still saw the Sandbox lose 29% of its value. In the last 1 year, the Sandbox is down more than 91.1% from where it started 2022. So is the bottom in for the Sandbox right now, or should we expect it to continue dumping to Goblin Town? The Sandbox is currently going through its first crypto bear market. We've seen it pump really well in the bull market when it went to as high as over $8. And right now, we've seen it dump to Goblin Town, and the Sandbox has lost more than 95% of its value from its all-time high. In the bull market, we saw the Sandbox pumping to the moon. Nobody had complaints. We saw it going from as low as the $0.028 level in November 2020, rallying up to as high as $8.5 by November 2021. So in 387 days, the Sandbox went up over 29,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in the Sandbox in November 2020, guys, would have returned more than $291,000 by November 2021. In the bull market, we see everything pumping to the moon, and the bull market is when retail investors pile into crypto thinking everything is up only. But the huge realization comes in the bear market when we realize that altcoins can also dump to Goblin Town. So you saw them pumping in the bull market. Right now we're dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market. Just the same way when we were pumping the bull market, nobody thought the pump would end. It's the same way as we're dumping to Goblin Town, nobody thinks the dump will end. A lot of market participants are thinking we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. And guys, that's one of the signs of the bear market bottom. When you see altcoins down bad, a lot of them down more than 90% from their all-time high, and the sentiment in the market is trash. Right now in the market, a lot of people are shorting altcoins, expecting them to continue dumping to Goblin Town. But I think we will see a rally in the altcoin market in 2023. 2023 has already started on a brighter note for the Sandbox. The Sandbox is up more than 7.4% in the last 1 week. Even if the bottom is not in for the Sandbox, I expect us to rally back to at least the $0.82 region. If we don't get rejected at that level, maybe just maybe we might rally up higher. But I don't think the bottom is in yet for Sandbox. From the bottom, where we saw the Sandbox trading in November 2020, the Sandbox is still up more than 1,300%. So if you think the Sandbox is down bad, think about it that those people that bought the Sandbox in November 2020 are still up more than 13x on their investment. Altcoins are very volatile. Why we like them is that when the bull run comes around, they can recover all those gains and even go to set new all-time highs. In the bull market, we saw some dumps along the way. This dump right here was an 83% dump. Just the same way, in the bear market, we're going to see some pumps along the way. We might even see a 300% pump that might carry the Sandbox back above $1.5. But, guys, you want to be careful with these altcoins. The fact that you're buying these altcoins right now don't mean the bottom is in. Nobody knows the exact bottom, so if you want to be buying these altcoins, getting ready for the next bull run, You want to dollar cost average through the bear market. That's what smart investors are doing. They are getting ready for the next bull run right now. They are investing deep in the bear market. Those investors that were buying the Sandbox deep in the bear market in 2020 when nobody knew about the Sandbox are the investors that were selling at the top. Now the market goes in cycles. We have seen the accumulation phase for the Sandbox in the previous bull market. We saw the markup phase. We have also seen distribution happen in the market. And right now, the Sandbox is going through the markdown phase. And if the Sandbox loses the $0.36 level, we might see this altcoin even dropping to as low as 0.17. So I believe maybe just maybe we'll have one final pump to the upside. I believe we might see the Sandbox rally up maybe to as high as $1.53 before we have that final dump to the downside. But it's looking very, very possible that the Sandbox might head to this $0.17 region. And for where we're currently trading right now, for the Sandbox to head that low, we'll see an additional 57% drop in the price of the Sandbox, which can happen with altcoins. It can happen in the space of 2 weeks. Are you buying this altcoin right now in the bear market? Are you getting ready for the next bull run? Warren Buffett once said, you want to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, when there's pessimism, and you want to sell when there's optimism in the market, and when there's extreme greed. If you take a look at what the Sandbox has been doing in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $5.64 to as low as $0.37. The Sandbox has a market cap of $653 million, a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion, and out of the maximum supply of 3 billion the Sandbox tokens, we have over 1.5 billion SAND tokens in circulation, representing 50% of the maximum supply. Currently ranked 55 on CoinMarketCap, over 2.2 million people have the Sandbox on their watch list. Now, why would you want to get the Sandbox in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? What makes the Sandbox unique? The Sandbox is a unique platform because it introduces blockchain technology to the world of gaming. The gaming industry is a huge untapped market when it comes to the adoption of blockchain technology, and Pixowl saw that in 2011 by creating a universe where gamers can create and collect blockchain-based assets. The Sandbox aims to revolutionize the market and make a niche for itself in the global market of gaming. Where can you buy the Sandbox if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some on Binance, on BitTop, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Uniswap, on Bitfinex. And guys, get this. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get the Sandbox right there. Over 2.2 million people have this altcoin on their watch list. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, in the bull market, it was up only. We saw the Sandbox outperforming Bitcoin by a lot from January 2021 till the Sandbox topped in October 2021. We saw the Sandbox outperform Bitcoin by more than 16,000%. Just one Bitcoin invested in the Sandbox in January 2021 would have returned more than 160 Bitcoins by November 2021. In the bear market, we see the opposite of what happened in the bull market. And right now in the bear market, the Sandbox is dumping to Goblin Town. And one of the signs of the bottom is when we see the Sandbox going sideways continuously against Bitcoin. That would mean a lot of people are bored. People have stopped flipping their Sandbox for some Bitcoin, because the reason why we have seen the Sandbox lose 85% of its value against Bitcoin in the last 401 days is that a lot of market participants are actually scared. If you take a look at what altcoins have been doing on the yearly time frame, a lot of them have been dumping to Goblin Town. And when we see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town, people start flipping their altcoins for some Bitcoin, thereby reducing the values of those altcoins against Bitcoin. So I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox maybe have one final pump to the upside against Bitcoin, get a lot of people bullish, and then we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town. Maybe setting new all-time lows, only time will tell. This is the Sandbox first crypto bear market, so everything is possible out there. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, we're still hanging in no man's land. We saw Ethereum get outperformed by the Sandbox in the bull run. Sandbox went up 5,400% in the bull market against Ethereum. Right now in the bear market is giving back those gains. And one of the signs of the bottom is when we see the Sandbox going sideways also against Ethereum, which will mean people have stopped flipping the Sandbox for some Ethereum. That's the behaviors you want to be seeing at the bottom of the bear market. Right now, people are optimistic in the market, so we might see a rally to the upside, but let's not get carried away, guys. Even though we see that rally on the weekly time frame, the Sandbox can keep dumping to Goblin Town. Now, if you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which is currently at the $650 million region, guys, maybe just maybe the bottom is in, but I will not just be going all in right now. I told you guys, if you want to be buying altcoins, you want to be careful. You want to dollar cost average through the bear market because altcoins can keep dumping to Goblin Town. So if the Sandbox market cap drops below the $550 region where we have gotten to in this bear market, the next support level might be around the $250 million region. And if that level doesn't hold, we might see the Sandbox dropping to as low as $100 million in the bear market. If we get a rally to the upside, maybe just maybe the Sandbox will go back to attack that $1.5 billion region. But ultimately, 2023 might be the year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the Sandbox heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? Do you think the bottom is in? Are you buying some right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.